3, 2, 1. Ignition.
Welcome to Zion National Park in Utah. My dad, brother, and I had 3 days to do as much bucket list exploration as possible. The wild card here is the Narrows. Schedule to hike it every day because it's all based on water level and it'll close if there's too much rain, which happened to us the first couple of days. But don't you worry, there's tons of things to do in Zion. Better strap in. This hike's crazy. Total height from the bottom to the top would be like Spider-Man climbing the Empire State Building and the Statue of Liberty. Wow! That's the start, some winding switchbacks and a spot to cool off. And then things get more challenging with a chain-line staircase.
Welcome to the best traffic jam in the world.
It's the classic, this classical gold art. Urban blacksmith, blacklisted Mozart.
Really feeling something up here. I think we're coming up on the last push. Should we get on?
And this random song got stuck in my head.
Heading to the top. Da, 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 da. Some Mötley Crüe for you. That's a flat clearing. Sun's coming out.
Cue the summit guitar solo.
Check it out.
Made it just in time for Super Tree.
Super Tree Tuesday.
It's totally a thing.
It's not.
Okay, looks like we're coming up on the home stretch.
Yeah.
And we weren't the only ones enjoying the view.
I respect your game, Chipmunk.
From there, just enjoy the view.
Oh, wow. Alright, this is proof that Dad hiked to the top of Angel's Landing.
Then it started to rain, and climbing down with slippery rocks and heights don't make a good combo.
Nice and slick.
And from all that moisture came the most spectacular rainbow we've ever seen.
Went straight in front of me. See? This rain's looking up, yeah?